Here is a rectangular welcome garden. We know two things about it. The perimeter, the distance all the way around, is 30 meters, and the length is 3 meters more than the width. We do not know the width, we do not know the length. The question is this: what is the area of the garden? Pause the video and try it before I show the trick. Here is a thinking tip. The perimeter is 2 widths plus 2 lengths. That is a lot to juggle. Is there a way to use just 1 width and 1 length? And what does adding 3 do? Let us start with the perimeter. Walking around the rectangle, you cross 2 widths and 2 lengths. So the perimeter is 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. That is 30. Now here is the key move. Both sides of that equation have a factor of 2, so we cut everything in half. Half of the perimeter is 30 divided by 2. That is 15. So the width plus the length equals 15. 1 width and 1 length, not 2 of each. Much simpler. Now we use the second clue. The length is 3 more than the width. So width plus length is the same as width plus 3. That equals 15. 2 widths plus 3 is 15. Take away the 3, 2 widths is 12. So 1 width is 6. And the length is 3 more, so the length is 9. Let us check. 6 plus 9 is 15. Correct. Now the area. Area is width times length. 6 times 9 is 54. The area is 54 square meters. Notice what really cracked this problem. We never solved for 2 widths and 2 lengths at once. We cut the perimeter in half first. Half of 30 is 15, and that 15 is just 1 width plus 1 length. From there, one little clue finished the job. Half the perimeter is half the work. This is the fixed perimeter half rule. If you know a rectangle's perimeter, then the length plus the width is exactly half of it. That single sum splits the rectangle into its 2 sides. Look for a given perimeter together with a relation between the sides, like one side being a few more than the other. Cut the perimeter in half, then use the relation. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.